case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1941 case of Robert G. Watkins and Son Inc. v. Carrig, the New Hampshire Supreme Court dealt with a contract dispute between two parties involving the excavation of land. The plaintiff encountered unexpected rocks during the excavation process, leading the defendant to agree to pay a higher price to prevent breaking the agreement. However, the plaintiff argued that this new arrangement was not valid, as the defendant did not receive anything in return for their promise to pay more. In their decision, the court determined that since the original written contract did not provide for any unforeseen circumstances, such as the presence of rocks, the plaintiff was responsible for completing the excavation work under the agreed-upon terms. The defendant's willingness to pay a special price for the removal of these rocks constituted a valid change to the agreement. In exchange for the plaintiff relinquishing their right to enforce the lower price outlined in the original contract, the defendant agreed to pay the higher amount. The court ultimately held that the plaintiff was liable for the additional work caused by the unexpected rocks, and the defendant was not at risk for breaching the contract. The new agreement, in which the defendant promised to pay a higher price, was considered valid, as it was made in exchange for the plaintiff giving up their right to enforce a lower price. This decision demonstrated that a party relinquishing a right could serve as valuable consideration, establishing a binding contract between parties.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.